Hello guys, person of Emmanuel Dazi and I'm with
Kamina Esel.
We are representatives of Mfantsiman Girls Stmnnovation 2023. Last year, we based on the topic sanitation, but due to technical reasons, we were kicked out at a point by St. James Seminary by 1 mark. But this year, we are coming back with much enthusiasm. Our theme for this year is urban gardening. Farming is one of the essentials in West Africa. This is because it serves as a source of food and also generates income for the country. In our research on urban gardening, we discovered some problems associated with the agricultural sector. One of the problems discovered is the low yield of crops. According to the Food and Agriculture Organization, 40 to 60% of crops are destroyed due to pests and the improper application of fertilizers. Again, another problem associated with the agricultural sector is the high risk of health hazard. Imagine a 55-year-old person carrying a knapsack with fertilizer weighing 60 kilograms. This causes discomfort to the individual due to the stress of pumping up and down the machine with one hand and spraying with the other hand. Health hazards such as waist pain, back pain and wrist pain is adapted by the individual during this process. The causes of these problems are the low level of modern technology in the agricultural sector. This is because some farmers are technologically illiterate, which do not allow them to adapt the use of modern technology in their farming activities. Again, one of the major causes is the improper application of fertilizers. Some effects of these problems are the low reproductivity of crops due to the low yield of crops. Another effect of these problems is the adaptation of respiratory diseases due to the inhale of the fertilizers. In our quest on the research of urban gardening, hypotheses such as the building of human robots to distribute the fertilizers easily on the crops, the building of autonomous drones, and the construction of pipes in the farmland to pump fertilizers and distribute them evenly on the crops were made.
In the method of collecting data, we went to classes in our school to ask of their suggestion, in which 80% to 90% chose the suggestion building the autonomous drone. In finding the solution for this problem, we built an autonomous precision-enabled drone which is able to automatically spray crops, and this will help productivity, and also there will be no excess use of or application of fertilizers. In the procedure of making the drone, things we needed was wood, the flight controller, the GPS model, and other stuff. We measured the weight of the materials we needed for the autonomous drone. Then
let's measure the frame.
140 grams. Then let's measure the tank. 160.
Now it's time to measure the brushless motors and the ESCs. 440 grams. Okay, so you're measuring the flight controller, the GPS model, and then the propellers. 180 grams.
They are measuring the battery.
Then we assembled all the electrical components together and built them up to make our drone.
Now let's assemble the brushless motors, the ESCs, and the power distribution board onto the frame.
Therefore, our drone was able to apply the fertilizers evenly on the crops, and health hazards such as waist pain, back pain, and respiratory disease were avoided. Thank you.